Hi everyone, my name is Ron and we're going to do the unboxing of NGCC. I'm really excited, just got it today in the mail. Comes in a cardboard box. What's that? Warning, this product must be assembled within 5 minutes, otherwise it will expire. Oh, no pressure. Let's see what's inside here. Diameter test, not sure what that is. Guess we'll figure it out later. There it is. And put the box aside. It's a receipt, 51 million. Sounds like a good deal to me. And let's see here. Comes in some plastic bubble for protection. Put that aside as well. Those kind of wraps are best opened with scissors, otherwise you may hurt yourself, so that's my advice. There it is. So I guess the clock is ticking now. Let's see. Just wonder, out of those 6 sides that it has, which one should I start with? Maybe I should make a vote. I don't know. This white one's got some logo on it. I don't know, different than the other, so I'll just pick this one. So I'll try to fix a cross on the top here to start with, and then we'll take it from there. So there's the orange one, and the fourth one is the blue one, and there we have a cross. Now let's see what we do with the corners. So there is one. Oh, that's not my lucky day. All other 3 corners are up here. I need to first take them down in order to place them in the right position. So I've got 3 in place, and that's the 4th one. Okay, we got the first layer fixed, and it says here EPC. Okay, that's an important component. Let's move on to the second layer. So we got the the green and the red in place. Let's go for the red and blue. There it is. And now we're going to go for the orange and green. And we got it into place, and the last one here is the blue and orange on that second layer, and there you have it. So it's in place. See here, it says, I guess it's supposed to be RLC. There's some defect here. That's OCA, and again the same issue here. RPL seem to be fine, and here not sure what that is, but I guess we'll figure it out. So now let's go to the third and last layer. So we're gonna try and create a cross there as well, and then fix that cross. So we have the 4 here which are okay. Let's see. So we have those 2 are cross, and those sides are okay, but those 2 are in the cross are switched between them. So we're gonna fix that first. And now the cross is in place. Let's look after the corners. Let's see if there's any corner which is in place. I think not. So we're going to just try and switch between them. Let's see if I got any corner in place. Yes. So now the orange, blue and yellow corner is in place, although it's switched around, and this one should come here. So I will do it like that. No, I don't think I got it right. I should try again. Let's see. So that's a challenge with the testing that can happen sometimes, and we need to take that into account and allow some time to recover from such scenarios. Let's see if I have any corner in place. So this one is in place now, and this corner should come here. So I think I got it backwards the other time. So I think now all the corners should fall into place. Yeah, so I got all corners in place, and I need to switch between those two. So let's do that and see how it works out. And there you go. Got all 6 sides. The last one says NGCC OK. And again, we have a defect here that we need to look after. We still have 22 seconds to fix that before the Q3 of 2015. And I wonder what that is. I guess this is where this piece of diameter test comes to play. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it looks good. It looks like it fits. There it is, time's up, and testing is complete, and we're ready to go live. So that's very good. I know that there are a few other options to do that. We could opt for putting it all apart and going with another process, but from my experience, some of those pieces can break when you try to push them into place, and then this whole motion gets messed up, and you don't really have a quality product. Another option that you could be is just to do kind of a paint job, or peel those stickers here and replace between them. But then again, it will not last for too long, and you'll find out that they will start to fall apart within a while. So we did it according to our methodology. It works fine. We made the timelines. It looks like a quality product. And that's the unboxing of NGCC. Thank you.